hit trees, brother. Oh. Yeah, buddy! Oh! What in tarnation? That's a lot thicker than I expected. Oh. Wow, that was a big mistake. Oh, frick, dude! Caliente Joe! Dude, I've been calling you Spicy Joe because you keep getting saucy. At this point, I would just push the bike to the road. Like, just roll it down. Oh! Whoa! What are you doing, Brad? Oh, this is what he's talking about. I get it. No, I see what you're saying now. It's definitely a tough little spot. Coming this way wasn't bad though.
I've gone off this side, the right.
Woo! Yeah, you don't want to do that. Dude, you just gotta ride up to it.
I've fallen off this thing and almost hurt myself.
I know, but it's because you're hesitating like that. I don't want to see you fall down because you're walking it either. Oh, you all right?
Yeah, this is the third time I've been off this thing. That
was quite the tumble. Oh my God. If you want to help support me and the channel and making more content like this, please head to my website, BeRAD-products.com. Every purchase goes toward helping me out. Got some really cool BeRAD t-shirts, Electron carburetors, Apex heads, SXS skid plates, the best in the game right here. A bunch of other protection parts, tires, and much more. Go check it out, and thanks for watching. Oh wow, it is slick right there. It almost worked. Oh my God! That was really sketchy. Oh my God! Oh no! You were doing so good. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Yeah, buddy! Dude! Oh!
You did a badass float.
It was so close. You hit it over there?
Now the bar kick dislocated my shoulder.
Oh,
Pop it back in.
he's like, it's already in. Well, don't hit trees, brother. Oh. Yeah, buddy! Oh, no! Brady! It was the cleanest bail around a tree I've ever seen in my life. Oh, you're doing a great job weaving, Alex.
I need to trim my toenails.
Oh. Hell yeah, brother! wheel spin. You gotta get your chest back. Doing this, it starts to spin. Give it a go. There it is. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh wow, I'm peeing by the way. Whoa! Yeah! Oh, Becca! Yes! There it is! What are you doing?
Chilling.
Why don't you try and ride up some of these hills here? Why?
It's too hard.
Too hard? Dude, not for you. You ride that trials bike so well. You ride that thing really well. Did I? No, I'm pretty sure I cleared it.
No, I felt it.
Oh. Come up here. You come up here.
Just push the
Well, here. No, it's already here.
I don't understand. Where you want me?
We want the front wheel to come and fall in this crack here. See? That's fine.
Hit this and just 12 o'clock.
I saw, because if that rear comes over here. Well, it's a good perspective on how steep it is. You center pretty good. There you go.
Dude, my nuts hurt.
Quit in the seat, dude. Oh my! Well, I'm gonna kill Nate. That girl's crazy. Excuse me! Send the whip! Oh, knock. You want me to massage him?
Dude, if you could just suck the pain out.
Okay. Can we have a snake bite it first, so at least I got like a good excuse to suck my homie? Do you want to not die, or are you good? Oh!
That was a little bit of a sandwich, but I'm hungry, so I'll take it.
Huh.